Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give a complete explanation about 3 IT MNCs started their hiring. Before going to that, just subscribe and like my channel. My humble request, please like my channel guys. It will be helpful for me to get more views. So the first one, which is going to be in TSS for urgent requirement from Mumbai for the Mumbai and Maharashtra role. So you can apply there and you can change it to Electronic Cities, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida. They are offering business analyst role for training and implementation. The graduation will be BTech, MM from all over India with a similar field. Both excellent and communication, verbal and persistent. 2 to 2.5 they mentioned here. And the next one will be Spiny careers from front end from Gurkha, Haryana. So you can change it to next to Bangalore, Electronic Cities, Hyderabad. This is what they mentioned here. Front end and reactive jet from the Spiny careers, full time they mentioned, don't pay any amount, they won't charge. And the next one will be testing associative from Tamil Nadu, which they mentioned started their hiring in Amazon. The education qualification will be itself they can mention preferred education with the BTech is higher to preferred they mentioned here itself. If you have done any certification, it will be helpful for you as an preferred qualification. Graduate training, strong knowledge in QA methodology and ready to learn new skills and comfortable in communication and computing things. So don't pay any more, they won't charge. The roles and responsibilities description they can mention complete description. So you can visit here. So you can start apply here. If you are not create account, just create account. If you are already having an account, just start apply with your old account with your PAN number. So if you have any doubt regarding, comment me in the comment section and like my channel. I upload link in the description. If you have any doubt, just comment me guys. Daily 5 to 10 MNCs I am provided. You can visit our channel at any time. Thanks for watching.